Alright, we're doing a key to a Ford F250. Give you another up-close leashy picking. You can see it, it's kind of sunny. Alright, we got... sorry guys, I don't know if you can see this or not. So there is a 1 up top, 2 on the bottom. 3, 4, 5 pick. Alright, no gloss on this one, it's way too dark. Nothing in 7 and 8. So that's what we're gonna have to fill. Two and 4. Good. 6, 2. Good up the bottom. Alright, there we go. Number 5. Pick. Come on. Nope, doesn't need it. So which one does? We gotta find one. Five is good. Okay, 1. 1 is good now. 2, 4. There we go. Took a minute. Let's read these cuts. Let's check it. Should work in the door regardless. It's packing. No ignition. Let's try our next option. Car's at a mechanic shop. He left his key in Flagstaff. 35 for the last 2. Alright, let's try this one. Oh, just dropped my keys. That's the one.